Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, February 24th, 2025, we're breaking down the GBPUSD pair. Recent news suggests a vacillating dollar, with the pound sterling to US dollar fluctuating in the low 1.2600s. Some analysts predict further rises, potentially towards 1.2700 and even a main target of $1.2700, but this is still uncertain. Let's start with the daily chart. We see a recent increase in GBPUSD, hitting a 9-week high. However, we also observe some mild dips. The overall trend appears bullish in the short term, but there's potential for short-term corrections. Notice the volume increase during significant price movements, suggesting market participation. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to examine the intraday movements in more detail. The hourly candles show shorter-term volatility, consistent with the daily chart's minor corrections. There are more pronounced support and resistance levels visible on this time frame. Identifying these levels will help us pinpoint potential entry and exit points. We can also see how the 15-minute chart shows even more granular information about price action and volume. Short-term traders will find the 15-minute chart useful for scalping opportunities. The high frequency of price changes warrants close observation of support and resistance within this time frame. Looking at the one-day chart from the beginning of October 2023 until today, we can observe a clear upward trend. This trend is supported by several higher lows and higher highs on the chart. However, note the period of consolidation around 1.21 to 1.22 in October 2023. Let's examine this more closely. Here, on the 1-hour chart within the period of October 2023, there's a period of sideways price movement, indicating a potential period of consolidation that could have been used by traders to enter into long positions. Now, let's shift back to the larger time frame. Returning to the daily GBPUSD chart, the 1.22 level seems to act as a significant support level. It has successfully halted several previous price drops. Conversely, we can observe resistance around 1.25 to 1.26, with the price currently trading near that level. If the price breaks 1.26, there's potential for a move towards 1.27. Short term, I'm leaning slightly bullish for GBPUSD as long as it remains above the 1.22 support level. However, the 1.25 to 1.26 resistance presents a near-term obstacle. Breaking above this area could signal a stronger uptrend, while a sustained fall below 1.22 may reverse the current short-term outlook. A significant economic event or news announcement could significantly impact the current predictions. In the long term, the overall trend depends on several macroeconomic factors, including interest rate decisions by the Bank of England and the Federal Reserve, as well as geopolitical events and economic data releases. These announcements will play a significant role in determining whether the long-term trend remains bullish or shifts bearish. To summarize, key price levels to watch are the 1.22 support and 1.25 to 1.26 resistance zone. A breakout above 1.26 increases the likelihood of a move towards 1.27. Conversely, breaking below 1.22 could signal a potential bearish reversal. Keep an eye on major economic announcements and news affecting the GBP and USD. Remember, these are merely observations, and trading always involves risk. Always conduct your own research and manage risk.